Joe Beermaster. We have a 2022 Kia Sportage. I'm going to show you how to take the headlight out. Actually, I started doing this already. This goes for multiple years. So first thing you have to do is take the bumper cover off to get the headlight out. Unfortunately, you can change the bulbs from the back if you need to, but that is actually another video. So if you want to change the bulbs, you can access them from here. There's one in there. There's one in here. You just take this cap off, take the bulb out, and you can change the bulbs that way. But if you want to change the assembly, you have to take the bumper cover off. There's little clips up here. We took them out. They look like that. Pop them out with a screwdriver. Got to get the bumper cover off. And there are clips like that on the bottom, and up in here on the fender well there's feels like a 10mm, some more clips, and you got to look. And then once you get everything loose, you pull here and you pop the bumper cover off. I'm not going to really get into that now, and what holds the light in are there's two 10mm bolts which were removed, and over here there was a 13. You'll see it when you open up the hood, and you may have to remove this. There's little clips in there again. Again, the clips look like that. They were in there. Loosen that up. But I did take that bolt out, and the 10's up here, and it won't pop out. So we definitely have to drop this bumper cover. So we turn the wheel so we can access that 10mm. There that is. This is going to get pulled off, but we're going to get all the clips out first, and then we'll pull that off. Alright, so once you get all the clips off and all the clips out in there, that 10mm bolt, pull this out. It's real hard. Work it up. It's going to stick, but you got to keep working it. Not coming.
Maybe there's another pin.
Let me see what that is. So in there's this little clip, and see these little holes in the bumper? They hook in, and that last one I can see it's hooked in. It's very tough. So you might have to use a little screwdriver to pry it. So if you keep pulling it might break. So let's see if we can work it out. Alright, so I worked the screwdriver up here. So I worked the screwdriver up through here real lightly without damaging the fender or the bumper cover, and I lifted that last loop over that little spike right there. That's what freed that up. Now we're going to come around and take the rest of it off. It's a tough one. Nope, I just pulled on it hard and it came out. Now I got to disconnect the wires. Do that. It should come out now. All right, there you go. So I have a good understanding of how this is done because I've done this on many cars. They're all a little bit different, but this one was tough, and that's how it's done. You don't want to rip too hard because you don't want to damage these. Once you damage these, you might have to replace the bumper cover, and you don't want to do that. Now we're going to do the same thing for the other side to get the other light out. And that's how it's done. Put it back together, reverse it. Just got to be a little patient to get it done. Joe Beermaster. Thanks for watching.